Okay, this is number I think 5 and 6. I'm gonna merge two together. I got the brakes fixed. I called up Apple Tree Automotive and I ordered that new T, and so the brakes are fixed and they seem to work pretty good. They seem to work all right. I got the shifter in and the shifter seems to be working right. I made some lines on the shifter shaft so I could verify where things are moving and stuff. That's a older Gene Berg shifter. That was on the car when we got it. That one wire hanging down, that's for the lights. As you can see, I cleaned up the wiring. The brake lights do work now. They work very nicely. I'm still having an idle problem. It just does not want to idle. It just is. It's just a nightmare. Anyway, so I am going to take the top of the carburetor apart and see what I can see. It might be a float problem. Might be, I don't know, something. I'm not sure what I'm going to find yet. So I'm going to mess with it and see what I can find. But I'll let the motor get cold. So anyway, I'm pretty much in the home stretch now, so I'll probably put this other light on here. As you can see, I got the wiring here cleaned up. Wiring looks very nice. I'll clip all the zip ties, tails off, make it pretty. I got the brackets. I think I got the brackets for the seats ready to go, so I can get those made. Get the battery box on, and I'm ready to go. And so anyway, that's what we got.